Hi guys, this is Prashant here. This is the quick and dirty video where I will try and walk you through how to do basic calculation in fast reports in ETL. Okay, some of the things that we will go through: how to make the changes in your SQL data to convert the field to an integer. How do you do these basic calculations such as divide, multiply, and a complicated one such as square root. And if you did have a string, how do you convert it to integer so that you can do your basic calculations. So let's go over our JSON data. So we have a couple of fields here. The main one that we will start with is annual CTC, which contains a value of 120,000, and another number called calculate 1003. Okay. Now if you come to AETL and have a look at our code, number one, the annual CTC is being loaded as an integer and calculate is being loaded as a string, as a varchar. Okay. If you will okay this, the first indication that this has been a success. Everything else is a string and annual CTC is a number over here. Now let me show you the first thing that I did, which does not work over here. I made a basic table. I loaded annual CTC and in my head I said, hey, just divide it by 12. Okay, I click OK, and if you will preview this, nothing happens, right? Because right now, if you see, it is being loaded. This is a text field. Everything over here is being loaded as a text. Now, to resolve this, you need to click this ABC button over here, insert an expression, come to annual CTC, and then do your basic calculations over here, divide by 12. Okay, see how this differs, that this is inside a bracket over here. Click OK. Now if you preview this, your calculations have started. Okay, you could change this to whatever it suits you: divide, multiply, right? All of these numbers would work. We also have some functions available over here. Again, fast report doesn't make anything easy, right? So you will see a square root function over here. Now the most obvious thing would be come to square root, go inside data, click on annual CTC, but this is again just a string. To get this moving, you need to again click this, come to a function, let's go to square root. Okay, click inside the bracket and enter our variable, which is annual CTC. Okay, and if we preview this again, the square root is also working. Now in all of these scenarios, my field was already a integer. Now what happens if we want to do something on a string number? Okay, so we open this up, we again click on insert expression, we come to a function, and if you come to string, under conversion, you come to string to integer, click on inside the brackets, come in your data, insert your string variable over here. Okay, if you will just do OK, you will not see anything. You will preview this and this will just look like a regular number, string to you, but here all the calculations are now possible. If you preview this, my calculations are bigger. Okay, I hope this helps you out. This took us some time for me to figure out, and if you like it, please come to the AETL forums where all of your queries would be answered. Thank you very much.